Hey guys, I was digging around downstairs and I found the Magic Treehouse Fact Tracker about rainforests. So this is a nonfiction story that goes with After the Afternoon on the Amazon. It's a Magic Treehouse chapter book. It's fantastic. This will just give you some facts about rainforests. I'm going to read chapter 1 today. I'll follow up with other videos on the following chapters, and I want you at home be taking notes about rainforests. Maybe you can make something at home that represents a rainforest. Feel free to send me pictures on Class Dojo, send me pictures to my email, anything like that. You can put it in the comments. You can do things like that just to keep yourself going at home, make sure you're learning, and we're doing it in a fun way. Now today I want you to be sure that you're visualizing this story. So you're building that picture in your mind on what a rainforest is. So today I'm going to read chapter 1, What is a Rainforest? Rainforests are rich and wonderful worlds. They are filled with tall trees, strange animals, giant bugs, and amazing plants. The largest flowers in the world grow in rainforests. The smallest frogs and the biggest spiders live in rainforests too. There's some sketches on the rainforest. There are rainforests all around the world. Each rainforest has different kinds of plants and creatures living in it, but most rainforests are alike in several ways. Number 1, rainforests get lots of rain. That's why they call them rainforests. In most rainforests, it rains nearly every day. Often, there are thunderstorms. Nearly all rainforests get over 6 feet of rain per year. Many get more than 16 feet of rain, and some get as much as 30. Now, they put a little bar graph in this story right here, and it says, we think of Seattle, Washington as a very rainy city, but Seattle only gets about 3 feet of rain per year. So I want you to take a look at this. It's kind of like a bar graph. We have Jack standing right here, and he's pointing to this. This is 3 feet of rain. That's how much rain Seattle might get. But the average rainforest, or the Amazon rainforest right here, gets 9 feet of rain per year. So look how much rain Seattle gets and compare that to the Amazon rainforest. So we know it rains a lot more in the Amazon rainforest than it does in Seattle. And in America, Seattle is our rainiest area. So I'm going to keep reading. Number 2, rainforests have very high humidity. Humidity is the amount of moisture in the air. Even when it isn't raining, the air in the rainforest feels wet and steamy. So I want you to think about that. So humidity, when we go outside in the summertime, we have a decent humidity outside and you might feel kind of wet and sticky. Now in the rainforest, you are just very, very steamy, you're hot, you're getting all sweaty. So just picture that. If you were in a rainforest, that's how it would feel. And they have another diagram of a water cycle of a rainforest. So moist air forms clouds, then the rain falls. It goes down and roots soak up the moisture. So all these trees, their roots are soaking it in. Then the water is released back into the air, and that moist air goes up and it reforms those clouds. So this is a diagram of the water cycle in a rainforest. Number 3, rainforests are very warm. The temperature in most rainforests stays between 75 and 80 degrees all year long. Wow. I'm just thinking to myself right now, I'm making a text to self connection. In Maryland, when I go outside in the winter, it's cold. But it sounds like in the rainforest, it's going to be warm all the time. Number 4, in most rainforests, there isn't much difference between winter and summer. The temperature is warm and the humidity is almost always high. Tropical rainforests. Most rainforests are tropical forests. That means that they grow near an imaginary line that runs all the way around the middle of the earth. This line is called the equator. So here they gave us a visual of that. Here's our little illustration. This is the earth, and then the equator, it wraps all the way around the earth. It almost looks like it's cutting the earth in half. The biggest tropical rainforest is the Amazon rainforest in South America. The Amazon rainforest is bigger than the states of Texas, California, Colorado, Florida, Nevada, Arizona, Oregon, Minnesota, and Alaska combined. It's bigger than all of those states put together. That's very large. If you need to go ahead and look up a map of the United States and look at all the different states and then look at every single area, all those put together is the rainforest. That's incredible because when you look at a map and you look at Maryland, we live in such a small state. And these states are much larger, but the Amazon rainforest is massive. There are also large tropical rainforests in Central America, Africa, Asia, New Guinea, Australia, and many islands in the Pacific Ocean. More different kinds of animals, insects, and plants live in tropical rainforests than anywhere else in the world. Right here, we have a big map, and it's showing us where some of the rainforests are. It kind of outlines them in this like darker color. There's some in Asia. There's some in New Guinea. There's all kinds of rainforests. If you want to pause the video and look, go ahead. Now that does it for today. Tomorrow we will read chapter 2, Layers of a Tropical Rainforest, and that'll teach us something else. But I hope you guys took lovely notes. If you want to go back, watch the video again, think about everything I've said, make sure you made that picture in your mind because we're going to be learning a lot about rainforests. Thank you guys. Stay safe.